Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to enhance your driving experience and keep you safe on the road. We found this impressive 4K mini dash cam, and we've included a link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. Now, let's take a closer look at what this compact dash cam has to offer. The 4K mini dash cam is a thumb-sized device designed to be discreetly mounted behind your rearview mirror. This ultra-mini design ensures it remains completely hidden from view, eliminating any distractions while you drive. But don't let its small size fool you, this dash cam packs a powerful punch in terms of features and functionality. One of the standout features of this dash cam is its stunning 4K recording capability. With a resolution of 3840x2160p at 30 frames per second, it captures every detail on the road, from road signs to vehicle number plates. The wide 170-degree angle helps to reduce blind spots, which is crucial in unexpected situations, such as collisions. You'll have peace of mind knowing that you can preserve vital evidence if needed. When it comes to night driving, this dashcam truly shines with its superb night vision capabilities. Equipped with a German image sensor and a 6-layer optical lens, it delivers exceptional image quality even in low light conditions. The front camera features a wide f1.5 aperture, allowing more light to enter the lens, resulting in brighter and clearer images. This means you'll have reliable footage even during nighttime drives or in poorly lit areas. Connecting to your smartphone is seamless with the built-in Wi-Fi feature. You can download the convenient app on your iOS or Android device to view, playback, and manage your dashcam footage right from your phone. This feature is particularly handy for reviewing your recordings on the go or sharing any important clips with others. You can also edit your videos directly through the app, making it easy to highlight the moments that matter most. Another practical aspect of this dash cam is its loop recording and built-in G-sensor. The continuous loop recording feature automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the storage is full, ensuring that you never miss a moment. Additionally, the G-sensor detects sudden movements or impacts, locking critical footage to prevent it from being overwritten. This is especially useful during accidents or sudden stops, as it guarantees that important events are securely saved. The 4K mini dashcam also offers two distinct parking modes for added security. The collision detection parking mode utilizes the G-sensor to detect any impact, automatically locking the video. In contrast, the time-lapse parking mode allows the dashcam to record continuously for 24 hours, conserving power while keeping a watchful eye on your vehicle. This dual functionality ensures that your car remains protected even when you're not around. So, who is this dashcam suitable for? If you're a daily commuter, a rideshare driver, or just someone who values safety and security on the road, this dash cam is a worthwhile investment. It's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable way to capture their journeys and have added peace of mind while driving. In summary, the 4K mini dash cam is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact, high-quality device that enhances driving safety and provides valuable evidence in case of incidents. Its advanced features, including 4K recording, superior night vision, and smart connectivity, make it a top contender in the dashcam market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.